This is a kinetic pull. It's movable. The pixel pitch in here is P2, but we can do also solid bolts. Recently, this year, we have launched a new product. The new product is made of carbon fiber. This product in here, yes, it's very light. You can check in here. You see, this is very light.
Can I try?
You check. It's very light. Now, this is 500 by 1000. 1 square meter is just 12 kg. Here is the power cable for the supply.
Yes.
Now we have different, like, two ways. One is for out, one for in. Once this one is broken, it can come from the feedback. During the event, you do not need to worry about this. If this one get broken, we have backup from the another one. This one is R5 Plus.
So we can make a different size, right?
This one, yeah, we can make different size. 500 by 500, 500 by 1000. We have the flexible also. And we have as well also the corner 90 degree. All can be connected together. Different models also we are producing, like actually in LED displays. What is most important for you is to create the models. You see from this,
wow,
it looks so complicated.
Yeah.
In here.
You see here.
Mm.